We divide 262 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 2 and it is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put jab. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get jab. So 262 divided by 5 is 52 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.